Okay, for this practice, you're gonna need a long elastic band. You all have it. The green is the easiest, okay? And the blue one is a little bit harder. We're gonna do a lot of shoulders, but I'm gonna alternate between upper and lower body as I do usually, okay? And then we can also use a strap for stretching, okay? I don't know if we're gonna use it, but we'll see. Are you ready? Okay, let's connect body and mind together, and then we're gonna start up on the mat. So try to feel that you are sitting nice and tall. You're welcome to sit on a block or a cushion. Chin is parallel to the floor. Shoulders are down and back, right in the pockets. Relax your jaw. And then we're going to use the Pilates breath. So engage your abs. Keep your abs engaging the entire time. Feel the lower back being more flat. Shoulders down and back. I want you to feel that you're nice and tall right here on the mat. And we're going to inhale through the nose. Expand your ribs sideways. Exhale through your mouth and no tension right here in your cheeks. And when you're ready, inhale, expand your ribs. Exhale. Now, if you want to contract the pelvic floor, go ahead. So inhale, try to contract. I know it's harder when we are seated on the mat. And exhale. You're welcome to take another break right here for the pelvic floor. When you're ready, engage it again. Try to do the Kegel. One more time. Good. And release. And we're going to twist. So you can sit again on your block or cushion because I want you to stay nice and tall. We're going to flex our feet. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to twist and I'm going to use only one breath. Okay? So shoulders down, chin tuck. Feel that your wall is right here behind. Your head is on the wall. Upper back, lower back, pelvic floor up. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, twist to the right without moving your feet. Pelvic floor up. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So legs together, easier to engage your pelvic floor. Yeah, glue them together. Shoulders down, check them. Inhale. Exhale. That's it. One more each side. If your shoulders are getting tired, you know you can bring your arms closer. Good, and release. Good job. 2 options for both. That's your break. You're welcome. Keep your toes. You can use your bottle of water. That's a little bit of weight. Option 3, if you use your elastic underneath your feet, grab it together. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit harder for stability. And then you're going to go side to side. That's your option 3. You take it or you leave it. Okay. Now, if you have back pain, probably because you're not engaging your abs anymore or you're tired. Okay, so take the break. No back pain at all. So abs are tight, shoulders down and back, pelvic floor up, lean back. Let's go side. Inhale, exhale. If you want to make it harder, Bring your heels off the mat for option 4. Try not swinging your knees or your feet each side. And it's hard. Even myself, I'm struggling. Are you breathing? I see your lips together. 4, 3, 2. Oh, one more. Good. And slowly release. Huh. Let's take another break. Open your legs as wide as the mat, or maybe on the outside of the mat. I'm going to do the saw. I'm going to twist and go on the outside. Do you remember the back hand has to go down, so thumb down, and you're going to try to look back at your hand, okay? So again, imagine the wall right behind us. Chin tuck, shoulders down and back, abs are tight, feel a flat back. And you know it's hard for me because I'm ex-gymnast. Pelvic floor up, open your arms to inhale, exhale, go to the right, flex your feet, go on the outside of your foot, inhale, come back, exhale, inhale through your nose, exhale. Imagine the wall, your lower back is staying against the wall. So don't try to go too deep, you're going to lose your form. And keep your toes pointed up towards the sky. Again, I'm just using one breath. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, and release. Not bad? Okay, let's go back with your elastic underneath your feet. We're gonna go back to rows. Right here. We need to do more triceps because I've been counting. We've done a lot of biceps. Biceps are naturally strong because we carry everything. But triceps, yeah, your wings, we need to work them. So we can do more triceps. Let's do it. So if your hamstrings are too tight, you're welcome to bend your knees here. Okay, option 1. Option 2, straight. You can sit again on your block. Abs are tight, pelvic floor up, chin tuck, and let's row. I'm not moving my upper body at all. Inhale, exhale to row. Inhale, exhale. Again, imagine your wall behind you and your upper body is resting on the wall. Head, shoulders, upper back, lower back, glutes. That's it. That's easy. Is it easy? Good. 4. But wait, that's your break. 3. 2. Is your pelvic floor still up? Good. And release. Grab it again towards the end. It's going to be harder, especially for shoulders. If it's too hard, go back to rows. I'm going to do that. So make sure you're not lifting your shoulders, okay? So same thing. Pelvic floor up. Abs, shoulders, chin tuck. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to pull. Inhale slowly to come back. Exhale to pull. So palms are facing down. Yeah, if not, go back to rows. Palms are facing each other, Sheila, for the rows. Yeah, that's it. And don't lean back. Stay nice and tall. Inhale, exhale. That's it. Inhale, exhale. Do you feel that? If you feel your shoulders are lifting, you're done. You need a break. One more time. Good. I feel it. Trust me, I feel it. Good. Okay. In your quads, very possible because we are seated. Your hip flexors are bent. Okay? Yeah, very possible. And your quads as well. And because we're flexing our feet, we are engaging the legs. Now I'm going to do the half roll down. Okay? So I'm going to keep my knees bent slightly. Shoulders are down and back. My arms are not going to move. I'm just going to stretch the elastic by moving backwards. Remember, you need to push your lower back first. Create that C shape in your spine. And you're going to look down at your thigh, your stomach. You're going to go down. Inhale, up, pelvic floor up, abs tight all the time. Exhale. Inhale. Listen to your back here. You decide how deep you want to go. Good. Inhale. Feel again, you're pushing your lower back first, and then you go down. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, can we do 2 more? I feel it. You don't feel it? Good. And 1 more. Yep, yep. Huh? Yes, that's a good support. Yeah, you can use your towel. Okay, let's go right here. Legs are going to be together, nice and tall, and I'm just going to press in front to work triceps and the front of the shoulders. Abs are tight, pelvic floor up, chin tuck, inhale, exhale, press in front, keeping the shoulders again right in the pockets. If not, you're going to round your shoulders and upper back. Yeah, inhale, exhale, you got it. Keep your legs straight, flex your feet. If you want to make it harder, what do you think you can do here? Yes, lean back. So curl again. You can slightly bend your knees. It's easier for my back as well. Lean back and stay here. But the shoulders have to stay in the pockets. There we go. Can we do 4? 3, 2. Arms are narrow. 2. And 1 more time. Good job. Beautiful. And release. Okay, let's do a little stretch. Hip flexors, I can tell they are screaming. You can fold your mat to have more cushion for your knees, or use a cushion or your towel. Let's bring the right leg in front. We've done this one before, the 290 degrees at your knees. Okay. Tilt the pelvis forward, push the hip forward. Left arm up, opposite arm at your front leg, shoulders away from your ear. Let's go to the side, towards the right. Keep the heart up. Just breathe through your nose. Huh? Yeah, just breathe. There we go. Good. Do you feel the stretch right here? Sometimes when we're tight, it goes down towards our knee. This is your quads. Good. Slowly come back, hands down if you need to. Let's switch your legs. Again, 290 degrees at your knees. Tilt the pelvis forward. Good. Feel the opening again in front of your hip. Right arm up or opposite arm at your front leg. Shoulders down. Inhale. Exhale. Side. And again, press your big toe right here on the floor. Good. I know. Is it hard for balance? If we are against the wall, you can put a finger against the wall. Good. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Let's inhale up, exhale. 2 more times. Up and down. 1 more. That's it. And release. Good job.